Good afternoon, beautiful investors. You must have noticed by now that waterfront properties attract the best return on investment. I am bringing to you a huge opportunity in Sangotedo, Ajah, to invest in the future by making a smart investment decision now. The most successful investors in real estate shares the valuable skills of knowing the right time to invest in the right location with the right land title. This estate makes it easy to meet these three conditions as it is a waterfront properties with a governor concept located in Sangotedo, just a few minutes from the express coming from ShopRite. This estate faces the strategic coastal road which leads to Victoria Island from Ogbobo Ajah. You can never go wrong investing in this estate. We also have a convenient payment plan to make it easy for you. Give me a call today and I will be happy to guide you to one of the most important real estate decision of your life. Bye for now. My name is Faith, your beautiful rector.